Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video we have learned about who are brokers. In this video we are going to learn what is DMAT account. DMAT account is an online repository which is used to keep your all the investment online securely. In the previous time when there were no DMAT account available, people used to maintain transactions of stock market buying and selling in terms of physical paper certificates, and the maintenance of those certificates was not an easy task. So in the 90s, stock exchanges started with online DMAT account facilities in which they have started providing dematerialized account, DMAT account to their investors, and which was online account like a banking account. So in the banking account you can keep your money. In the DMAT account you can keep your all the investment online. You can transfer your money from your bank account to DMAT account at any time, and you can also transfer your money from DMAT account back to your bank account immediately. So this is the wonderful facility where you can transfer amount between DMAT accounts and online banking accounts. Now, what are the documents to open a DMAT account? In India, we need these documents to open a DMAT account. So the first document which is required to open DMAT account is your residential proof. You should have Aadhaar card or any other residential proof document. The second document is your PAN card. You should register with the income tax of India. Fourth, in case if you're going for the derivatives, you should provide 6 months of bank statements to DMAT account brokers. So these are the basic documents which you can provide, and you can get your DMAT account open with any of the best broker in India. In other words, we could define DMAT account as DMAT account is an account which can convert your money into shares and shares into money. It means when you have amount to invest in stock market, you can transfer that amount. Say for example you have 1 lakh rupees, you can transfer that 1 lakh rupees to your DMAT account from your bank account, and once you purchase the share of 1 lakh rupees from stock exchange, those money would be converted into shares, and in your DMAT account now you would be able to see shares, and once you made your mind, you can sell them again to stock exchange, and stock exchange would transfer that money to your DMAT account. So this is how the DMAT account works. So we have learned about DMAT account and the process and the documents which are required to DMAT account in India, and in the next video we are going to cover a new topic. So keep watching, keep learning. Thank you very much.